Mission for Mentoring. Hello viewers, the National Education Policy NEP 2020 highlights the crucial role of teachers in shaping students' futures. It recognizes that supportive relationships are essential for meeting 21st century demands. The Ministry of Education has tasked the National Council for Teacher Education (NCTE) with the leading National Mission for Mentoring (NMM). This mission aims to comprehensively support the professional development of school teachers nationwide to create a strong educational foundation through capacity building of school teachers. What is mentoring? It is a structured relationship where a professional expert as a mentor guides and supports a mentee to enhance their skills and knowledge. Mentoring helps school teachers refine their practices, stay updated with educational advancements, and address diverse student needs. Mentors are outstanding professionals who provide guidance and expertise to school teachers. Regular feedbacks and reflection lead to their improved teaching skills and effective strategies. NCTE will implement NMM through National Mission for Mentoring, the Bluebook, a comprehensive framework with objectives, strategies, and guidelines for effective mentoring. Sensitization workshops and orientation programs will build a robust mentoring system at all levels. NCTE provides an online mentoring session on digital platform which brings the mentors and mentees together to share their skills and knowledge. By supporting teachers through structured mentoring, NCTE nurtures students and country's future. Join us on this transformative journey towards excellence in education, one mentorship at a time. National Mission for Mentoring, empowering teachers, shaping futures.